I'm going to show you how inventory for bundles and their individual products are tracked on Simple Bundles. One of the most important considerations when you're introducing bundles to your store is how you're going to track your inventory for your bundles as well as for your child items within those bundles. Maintaining accurate inventory for your bundles means that you'll never oversell them. So this is going to be my example, which is the Simple Bundles Custom Trailblazer bundle. So I have 3 variants for my first t-shirt and 3 variants for my second t-shirt. So these are the options that my customers have when selecting their bundles. So I'm going to show you what that looks like in Simple Bundles. Here you can see the number of individual items available in stock across all locations, as well as the calculated bundle inventory across all locations as well. So say, for example, if I change each of the water bottles to 2, then that means the maximum number of water bottles that would be available would be 25. So taking you back to the storefront, you can see that all my items are available because all of them are currently in stock. Later, I'll show you what it looks like when they go out of stock. So I'll add this to cart and go through the checkout process. You can see all my items have been loaded in. Okay, so now that we're all checked out, let's go back to our Shopify admin and see the updated inventory. So going back to our bundle, you can now see that each of the bundle contents have had their quantities reduced by 2 in this case and 1 for the rest of them. And the bundle quantity has also been adjusted to 49, which is the highest number available for the water bottles. So since the inventory for each of the bundle contents here, as well as the bundles, are synced with Shopify, the inventory that you'll see on the Shopify inventory tab will also reflect the same numbers. Say, for example, if I change the quantity of one of my t-shirts to 0, I'll be able to see that reflected across Simple Bundles as well as my storefront as well. So going into Simple Bundles, I can see that my medium size long sleeve t-shirt has now been changed to 0. Based on that, my bundle has also been calculated to have 0 inventory across all locations. And then in my storefront, you can now see that any bundle containing the size medium t-shirt will be marked as sold out as well.